Hey guys, this is MDB Tech, and today I'm unboxing Google Nest Mini second generation home speaker. It has some music control for YouTube Music, Spotify, maybe some readouts from Google Calendar, Google Duo usage, Philips Hue turning on off, Netflix assistance, Google. Okay, let's take the sealing off. Quite simple sealing, nothing too fancy. Okay. Ooh. Oh, what a little cute speaker. Damn. This is little. You can mount it on a wall, I guess. What's inside the box more? Okay. And we have a cable. What a nice cable. Damn. Power adapter. Nice little plug. Place it there. What else we have? We have some manual. Okay, let's open the manual. Okay, so this is the Italian and Spanish, I guess, and Portuguese maybe. Well, we don't need that. And we have, that's it. That was unboxing of Google Nest second generation Nest Mini home speaker. Thank you for watching. Happy, very Merry Christmas, by the way. Bye.